Hey everyone, today I'm doing another Ev3 program and I'm doing it based on the MyBlock Builder. And the MyBlock Builder is where you can use a code and turn it into one code. And you can use that code multiple times in the program. So you don't have to keep writing the same code. So without further ado, let's see the code. So the program that I'm going to be doing is the robot will try and detect this red tape that I put, and it will display the value of the red on the screen, which is 5. So let's see it. So that was my program. At the end, what it did, it detected my beacon and it said detected. So that's why the program ended. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, so this is my program right here. I'm going to show you my code. And so this is the one my block containing one more my block inside. So it's basically 2 my block. And then that means there should be 2 codes. So right here, this is my first code, and it is when the robot detects the red tape or the red color, and it displays the amount of the color on the screen. And then after, it had to detect the beacon. So this is my infrared sensor. It's gonna play the A5 piano note until the beacon is detected. And then it will say detected and the program ends. So this is my code.